Sacred Heart High School, 6th Standard, Civics. Chapter 1, Our Life in Society. In this chapter, we will learn 1.1, Why did man feel the need for society? 1.2, The social nature of man. 1.3, Our development. And 1.4, What is society? So dear students, let's begin with the introduction. Stone Age versus today's time. In the course of thousands of years, man have evolved from nomadic stage to a stable social way of life. 1.1 Why did man feel the need for society? A stable and secure community life is essential for the development of individual as well as society. In the nomadic stage, man did not have stability and security. With the realization, people came together to develop an organized way of life. This was the main motivation for the creation of the society. Living in the society, man felt the need for rules because rules help with the smooth functioning of the day-to-day matters. Man's social life was earlier regulated by conventions, which means a standard way of doing things, traditions, ethics, values, and later it was regulated by rules and laws. 1.2 The social nature of man. Man is social by nature, who likes to live with others, and it is also one's need. Man's physical needs are food, clothing, and shelter. Fulfillment of these physical needs brings stability in man's life. However, for man's emotional and psychological needs are fulfilled by living in a family and spending time with relatives and friends. For example, when we are sad, we wish to have somebody with us to share our problems. We love to be with our family and friends, and these feelings also reflect in our social nature. There is a mutual dependence within the society as no individual can fulfill his needs by himself. Now, what is mutual dependence? Let's understand it with the help of an example. Food, which is our basic need, and for which we are dependent on farmers. For our education, we are dependent on schools and other educational institutions. The variety of industries and many people living in the society contributes in this process. Occupations like artists, doctors, nurses, mechanics, farmers, reporters, and many more occupations helps in fulfilling our needs. We get an opportunity to develop our inherent skills and capabilities within the society. Living in the society, we also get an opportunity to express our thoughts and emotions. Thus, our life in society is interdependent. 1.3 Our development. Our first language is the one that is spoken at home. If our neighbors speak different languages, we pick up those too. Schools also provide opportunities to learn different languages. Society helps in the development of our emotional capabilities and the power to think. The development of our artistic and other talents also takes place in society. Singers, musicians, artists, scientists, social workers, all these talents develops their qualities because they are backed and encouraged by society. 1.4 What is meant by society? Society is an umbrella concept. It includes everyone: men, women, boys, girls, elderly, and young ones. It also includes various groups and institutions. Interrelationships and interactions between the group and their dependence on each other also forms a part of society. Now, what is interrelationships? Let's understand it through an example. Businesses pay taxes to the government. Those taxes are used for the funding of the school system by the government. Then, schools educate so people can get jobs. And later, jobs allow people to spend money at local businesses. So, interrelationships are correlated. Hence, we can correctly say society is formed when people come together to achieve a certain common objectives. It is necessary to set up a permanent system in the society to fulfill our basic needs. The existence of the society depends upon these permanent systems. For example, agriculture is essential to fulfill the need for food. Therefore, a vast system needs to be created which includes factories to manufacture the tools and equipments used for farming, availability of pesticides, banks to provide loans to the farmers, and a market for the goods produced. The existence of many such systems make a society stable. I hope you understood the chapter. See you in the next class. Thank you.